Guys, what's going on? I just got back from David's house where we installed my E-Ray's new titanium wheel spacers and titanium wheel lugs. About to show you the content that we took earlier today. I just told David his garage lights really make this carbon flash color pop. This is what separates. At nighttime, people think this is a black car, but obviously you can tell with proper lighting, it's far from that. Actually, in direct light, it looks more like a super dark gunmetal gray, wouldn't you say?
Exactly. In here, it certainly does.
She's about to get a brand new stance. Directly behind the E-Ray, you can see fender, recessed wheel. And take a look on both sides. First, just in case the driveway might be at a slanted, slightly different angle from behind and from on top. Now the front is not quite as bad, and the rock guards help cover that a little bit, but there's just a slight amount of additional space that you can see, especially from that angle. And these titanium spacers are really going to help out, thanks to David DBM Racing on 2019 on YouTube. E-Ray is about to get a brand new stance, and the titanium wheel spacers and lugs are really going to be a nice addition, especially with the weight savings.
That moves out to replace that to basically let it have the exact same fitment as factory. So, nice piece, man. Nice piece. Replacing them is a pain in the butt. I can't even imagine with these carbon ceramic brakes how much of a pain in the butt it would be. It would be so bad. That would be time to cry.
Yep.
Let's kind of push that out, but they also supply this gasket maker here to go around here. So when you put in, it helps kind of seal that in there. So I'm gonna do that here in just a second. All right.
BTS behind the scenes right now.
When I'm looking at it from every time we take brand new fucking tires off.
Trying to see if I can see any of the electric motor aspect under here. It's an angle you don't get to see very often. David just put on the new titanium spacers on top of the carbon ceramic rotors. Wheels off, tires off. Just about to get looking pretty. So here is a new video showing with the wheel spacers front and back installed on this side from behind, and then from the side moving up to the front ones. These are not quite as aggressive, but from the top and from the bottom. Oh man, those backs freaking, yeah. All right, let's move to the other side now. Here's from the front, from the side. You can already tell that one's recessed. Oop. From the top, before Yugga Chuggas. Yes, really recessed back there. Get it. And then you can see, especially from behind, how recessed that is. Versus, bam! That's really not that big of a difference, but it's sitting just right. This angle versus recessed. Okay. So I just got my new Foundry 3 titanium wheel spacers front and back installed, thanks to David DBM Racing 2019. Ooh, that's a big old bump. Real quick, want to make sure that I don't get any vibrations and make sure everything's on nice and tight. So far, I don't feel any vibrations or tug one way or another. That's going 70, hands completely off the wheel. 73, 75. I don't trust it. Sketchy wet roads. I think she's good to go. I'll just recheck the torque specs once I get back home. I still got another 60 miles to go. Thanks again, and shout out to David DBM Racing 2019 as well as Foundry 3